Hello everyone, my name is Faizal Khan. I have qualified CSIR JRF June 2022 with rank 202. I owe my success to my hard work, support of my friend, and this would not have been possible without help from Biotecnika team. Biotecnika guided me from the start about tips how to prepare, providing classes with quality learning and also provide study material. Last minute preparation, strategy, revision videos, revision tests all helped me achieve my goal. My strategy was dedicating 5 to 6 hours of my day to studying theory, understanding concept well, followed by practicing questions as well as managing my time while attempting questions. I would like to advise future aspirants to keep practicing questions and take as many as test series possible. Thank you, Biotecnika team.